Hello. Okay, so what book is this, Julia? Do you remember? Can you sit properly? Nah, Julia. You want to impress your mommy, okay, mommy? Julia.
There
Uh-huh.
is a bird on your head.
Good job.
The end.
What do you mean, the end? That was just the title. Do you remember how to read this?
Bye.
Mm-hmm. M-O is... Do you remember what that is?
No.
Good job. You want to go to your favorite page? You start here.
Piggy!
Good job. Then, hey, you're skipping pages. Take it easy. Here. Don't skip too many pages, Julia. Uh-oh. Okay, put this down. Okay, you want to start reading from there?
Ah,
Oh, we're losing stuff.
Ah,
Can you start reading from the proper page? You don't want to start from 14. Right? Then nobody knows what you're reading, what the story is about. Okay. So you already read this one, right? What is it? That was Piggy. So what does elephant say now?
is bird?
No? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wind.